What is present continuous tense? Hi everyone! Today we are going to explore what is present continuous tense. The tense that help us talking about what happening right now. There's a little quote that fits perfectly. Every moment is reading itself. Let's learn how to say it out loud. So let's enjoy this moment together and learn something new. So before we talk about it, let me introduce myself. My name is Raihani Nasyakir Ramadhani. People usually call me Hani. NIM saya adalah 19251094. Okay, the present continuous tense, also called a present progressive, is a verb tense that expresses an action that is in progress or happen frequently in the present. Jadi, present continuous itu adalah suatu kejadian, kalimat untuk kejadian yang terjadi saat ini. For example, adalah Joko is playing hide and seek in the backyard right now. Untuk formula dari present continuous ini, untuk kalimat positifnya adalah subject tambah to be, like am, is, are, ditambah verb ing, like swimming, dancing, running. Untuk kalimat negatifnya adalah subject ditambah to be ditambah not. Jadi perbedaannya adalah antara kalimat positif dan negatif adalah di not dan ditambah verb. Untuk kalimat tanyanya adalah to be yang ditambah subject lalu ditambah verb. Jadi kalau kalimat tanya ini to be-nya di depan, sedangkan kalimat negatif dan positif itu to be-nya di tengah. Jadi perputaran to be antara kalimat negatif dan positif dengan kalimat tanya. When to use present continuous tense? 1. One of the main uses of the present continuous tense is to indicate that an action is currently happening. Jadi untuk kejadian yang baru saja terjadi. Yang kedua, contohnya adalah she is studying at the moment. Yang kedua adalah the present continuous also frequently describes something that occurs frequently or habitually, often with a time adverb such as regularly or always. Contohnya adalah they are going to exercise classes regularly. Contoh kedua adalah he is always forgetting his keys. Yang ketiga adalah another common use for present continuous is to convey that a situation is temporary. Contohnya adalah Tayo is taking night classes this month. Nomor 4, the sentence that describe a new trend or a change that developing over time will often use the present continuous as well. Contohnya adalah people are adopting more pets this day. Yang contoh kedua adalah the weather is getting colder. Nomor 5 adalah one of the most common uses of the present continuous is not to talk about the present at all, but about future plans or intention. Contohnya adalah we are flying to Brazil next month. Forming negative sentence. A negative statement in the present continuous tense expresses that an action or condition is not happening now, doesn't happen frequently, or isn't planned for the future. The most common way to make the present continuous negative is by adding the word not between the correct form of to be and the present participle of the main verb. Example, she is not working today. Another example is we are not going to the beach this summer. Another example is the refrigerator is not running. Forming question sentence-nya adalah to form question in the present continuous tense, invert the structure of the formula for statements. Jadi formulanya adalah to be seperti tadi, to be subject lalu present participle of main verb. Contohnya adalah is she working today, or are we going to the beach this summer? Is the refrigerator running yet? So it's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. If you're asking me about it, you absolutely know the answer, right? Because it's a no. It's a big no. The campus should be a healthy environment because there we are. We study, we learn, and we socialize. We all have the right to be in a healthy and smoke free environment, of course. And smoker should also know the ethics regarding certain times for smoking, which of course is not on the campus. So I think it's all for me. Thank you for your attention. See you next video. Bye bye.